Coming. Push him. Speed loader.
He went inside.
He's inside, but he's blocked off. Don't go in there just yet. I'm gonna grab a shotgun. Alright, hold on.